What's up, YouTube? TDKV here. My second ever pack opening video. Today, we got some of the rando, probably crap packs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 Amazing Defenders. And we got 19 Duelist Nexus. So, we're going to start off with the trash first. Includes one guaranteed rare card. Includes 20 cards. Includes 20 cards. They've been doing these since like I can remember. So, tear right into it. Figured I just got back into the game. I don't really have any cards, so it'd be nice to get back some bulk. Battling Boxer Lead Yoke. That's the rare card. This is already going to be crap. Oh, I don't even feel like trying to pronounce that. Is that even American? Oh, this is Spanish. Okay, some of these aren't even English, so that's cool. See, like Mask of Dispel, that's pretty OG. Tool, I remember that. Each player may pay. Yeah, I remember that. Energizing Elements. Yeah. Like I said, I expected trash. I was hoping maybe there would be like one type of staple, like maybe like a common Foolish Burial, but either way. Look, and they spoil it. They spoil these with having it be the first card. Inzektor Hornet. Oh, wait, I'll get it to the camera over here. Inzektor Hornet. I'm gonna have to fix the lighting. I am new to doing this, so there we go. Inzektor Hornet. I can't think of what that is, but that's a Spanish card. Some Deep Sea cards. Salamangreat. XYZ Revive Splash. Torpedo Takedown. See, I might run Plunders. I don't know if she's in it, but so that might be cool. Hey, actually, this looks cool. Alright. So, that's what those. Expected crap got crap. Not going to be too buttered. So here, let me fix this just a little bit. So, crack into these next. So, I will have to message the winner, but I did not forget about the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I will be messaging you probably after I'm done filming this, so you'll get the message before I post this. So, tap for good luck. Empty Memory, Rescue HQ, Machine Duplication, Mikinko Promise, My Friend My Friend Purely. Looks pretty cool. I think that there's a lot of support for these cards now, too. Do not mind that rustling in the background. I have a cat, and he's playing with his little carrot thing. His name's Sphinx, if anybody's wondering. Alright. Contain. Res map. Iterate the Sword Mikinko. Gizmek. And Armory. Limiter removal. What was the... Okay. Ooh. Alright. Yeah, I don't even know what half of these cards are. I just know there's like a collector's rare, I think, to get. And then in these ones, there's the 25th century collector's rare or something like that. So let's hope we get one of those. Because I don't even have the deck yet. Maybe one of those cards would... Ooh, Infernal. I remember him being... Because I remember he came out in... I don't know, he like, the Infernal Knights were like a big deck whenever I would have stopped playing. It was like it was like right around the zombie, the Gordon Lords too. So that's cool that he got reprint. Alright, last one of these. We're gonna give it a sniff for good luck. I smell money in this. See, I don't even know if any of the super rares are worth anything in this set. And if I wasn't recording with my phone, I'd look up this My Friend Purely, because I'm pretty sure that this got new support. So maybe I'll try making an edit to this video. I'm gonna sleeve it up because it's an Ulti or Ultra, not Ulti. I wish that Ultra rares were still. But yeah, use these Elemental Hero sleeves. So why not? Alright, now let's get to the sweetness. Yeah, I'm gonna put these pile of commons. Those are just rares, not commons, but you guys know what I mean. And then we'll have these in the background. Because I guess that you would get one foil in each pack. 9 cards in a pack. Here's what I'll do. Oh, wrong way. You guys could try focusing on the back if you will. I'll read up. Rev it up again with new cards inspired by Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D, including the Mighty Crimson Dragon from the anime series. Dust off your Infernal Knights cards as you'll need them to summon Emperor Charles, the Great, brand new 3000 attack Link 1. Actually, I'm done reading the back of that. Too much title, but you get it. It's basically a rev up from 5Ds, which, besides from Duelist Kingdom, like the OG anime, 5Ds is my favorite time of Yu-Gi-Oh! So let's get it! No idea what I'm going for. We're just diving head first in. Ooh, yeah. Dig it! I see there's a lot of dinosaurs, and I was thinking about playing dinosaurs, so let's see if maybe any of these new ones are decent. And let me put it back to this. Jurassic Power, Split Mirror of the Underworld, Wave. Ooh, what's this? Okay, you see this is a secret rare. Tokosnasi Shinkonoshin. Send monsters from your hand or face-up field to the graveyard whose total levels equal 10. Draw 2 cards. I don't know. That sounds like that could be useful. Like I said, I will be looking up prices after this, and let's see if... I don't know how much this is. I'm hoping it's worth a lot. Let's see. Put it up here. And we'll just put her in this pile right here. Next pack. Actually, you know what I want to do real quick? I'm going to open them all up so we don't have to go through this every time. And I probably will not be able to edit this out, but just in case I can't, I will keep you guys busy with some small talk, because I've been excited because I started thinking about getting back into the game about like 2 weeks ago. I started I seen somebody talking about it on Facebook, and I still had my blue eyes cards, my red eyes. I still have like my Thousand Eyes Restrict, my Retro Pack 2-1, my 5 pieces of Exodia, 5-headed dragon, and I've kept like all like cards that like meant something to me. But like I sold off all like my everything else basically. I had Ghost Rares, I had alt tees. You know, times were tough, and I also was trying to, support a different hobby, so I just figured sell them for that. And I don't know, Yu-Gi-Oh is one of those things I always get back into and stop and get back into. I've always loved it and hated it. Well, I never hated it. It's just, you guys know how it is. It's an expensive game, but I've always had love for it. Oh. Okay. Shite ton of these. Alright. Well, bears are halfway there, don't worry. If you're gonna watch this, I'm hoping it's gonna be worth it. I'm gonna pull one of them fancy pantsy cards. It's gonna be a lot of hoot and hollering out here. You know what I'm saying? So we've opened up one pack, and it's a secret rare. Let's see what we get. We got this. Alright. Do a little shuffly. Shuffling. Shoo. And then Bugaboo. Probably should have done that beforehand, but you guys get to experience it with me. Actually, I'm just going to pull these here so that way we save space. Do not mind my mat. It's a little... That's what it is. Next one. Smells good. Purely Shirley. Gaia Blaze, the Force of the Sun. That's interesting. Cornfield Total. New World Formation. Ordergeist Malt Wisp. Okay. It's a tuner. If this card is added to your hand, except by drawing it, you could special summon it. If this card is normal or special summoned, you could target one old. Okay, so Ordergeist got some support. Not bad. Let's get it. Evilite Fullest, Wolf Synchron, Rescue Ace Preventer, New World Formation, Gazelle King, the Mythical Claw. Wait. Oh, for a second, it looked like that was it. That would have been sick. This guy looks cool. What's this effect? If this card is normal special summoned, you could add one level 5 Fiend Monster or Chimera Fusion from your deck to hand. If this card is sent to the graveyard as material for a fusion summon, you could add one illusion monster from your deck to your hand. You can only use each effect of the Gazelle, the King of the Mythical Claws, once per turn. That's interesting. Let me try lowering my chair real quick. Maybe this will help my situation out. Oh, I'm already as low as I could get. My bad, fellas. Just my back is killing me. Anyway, that should help out tremendously. Next one. Oh. God Blaze. Behemoth. Super Heavy Samurai. Evil. Banishing Trap Hole. What does this do? When your opponent summons a monster with 1500 or less attack, banish that monster with that monster face down. Oh, okay, never mind. I was thinking, like, why does it say face down? But I kind of forgot that that's like a thing. See, that's how long it's been. Okay, that seems like that could like be cool to stop some type of combo. Some combos. Next one. Give it a sniff. Signs. Chimera Fusion. You see? Okay, I think this is a good card. Let's see what it says. During the main phase, fusion summon one fusion monster from your extra deck using monsters from your hand or field as material, including a beast or fiend monster. During your main phase. See, most of you probably already know what this is. But I think this is going to be a good card. I think it is. I'm going to stop sitting in my seat and I'm going to sit Indian style. Yeah, this is much better. Yeah. I'm feeling it. No regrets right now. I'm feeling it. So let's do this then. No? There we go. Gaia Blaze, the Force of the Sun. Behemoth, the King of 100 Battles. Ooh, okay, I accidentally skipped. Let's just go right to the... Ooh. Visage Amritara. Visage Amritara. Let's read its effects. Actually, let me get in a sleeve real quick. 2 secrets. Ew. 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 Okay. Now I feel a little bit more comfortable. Warrior Synchron Tuner. That's interesting. This card names becomes Visage Starfrost while in the field. You can only use each of the following effects of Visage and Amritara once per turn. If this card is synchro summoned, you can add 1 spell trap that mentions Visage Starfrost from your deck to your hand. During your main phase, you can destroy 1 monster you control. Also, all synchro monsters you control will gain 800 attack this turn. That's interesting. That's interesting indeed. Let's do the next one. So we're going to get back to normal vision. That's very interesting. I like it. Okay, I think Chimera Fusion is going to be like a... I feel like that's like a $5-10 card maybe, but I could be wrong. Super Heavy Samurai Security. Another Behemoth. Animal Candle. Evil Tile Folos. Mighty Dino King Rex. Okay. This looks gnar. That's really badass. Like, see, I love this is why I love playing Yu-Gi-Oh, because the designs, they always hit it out the park, and they always have some bizarre ass name too. Never run out of bizarre names for Yu-Gi-Oh. Let's go. Oh. Got corner caught. Will Synchron. Rescue Ace Preventer. Infernoble Ricardido. That's interesting. So Infernoble Knights definitely got some big upgrades. That's interesting. Maybe if, depending on how much of the build I have, maybe that's something I'll start running. Because I've only ever run Blue Eyes or some type of dragon deck, because I'm a dragon fiend. Magikarp? Y'all see this name, right? Magikarp? I don't care, it's Magikarp. Magikarp? Beta Evolution Pill? Animal Candle? New World Formation? Fusion Armanet. Reveal. One fusion monster in your extra deck can special summon one of your fusion materials whose name is mentioned on that monster in your extra deck or graveyard. But until the end of your opponent's turn, it cannot attack, and its effects, if any, are negated. Okay. So ultra rare. We're gonna sleeve her up. That's actually very interesting. Is that, it looks like Flame Swordsman, and is that Chaos Magician? Oh, I always get all their names confused, but it's one of them fusers. Genosaurus Giga Cannon. That looks interesting. Jurassic Power. Million Century. Zalian Toss. Big Winged Burfoment. Let's read your effect. If this card is normal or special, here, we'll go down for you. If this card is normal or special summoned, you can add one level 4 beast, monster, and or Chimera fusion from your deck to your hand. Also, you cannot special summon monsters from your extra deck for the rest of this turn, except fusion monsters. If this card is sent to the graveyard as material for a fusion summon, you can target one illusion monster in your graveyard. Special summon it. You can only use each effect of the Big Wing Battlefront once per turn. Looks ugly as fuck, but its wings looks badass though. Next, I'm hoping we get, I think that, I don't know, dude. I want one of them dragons. I'm a dragon fiend. Synchro World. Beta Evolution Pill. Ultra Transcendence. Double-headed Dino King Rex. That looks kind of viable. Million Century Ice Prison. Air Hermine, the Manifested Marenko. A fairy. It's an ultra rare, so I will not complain. So we have 2 secrets and 2 ultra rares so far. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left. Alright, we're gonna mix them around.
mix them around. I keep messing up with that corner. Signs of the Tristina. Daedara Boki. Unchained Soul of the Shavara. Cornfield Kotel. New World Amrotara. See, I actually love the artwork on that. Because I just love how like the planets look and or like the sky or whatever you want to call that. Activate only while Visa Starfrost is on the field. Once per turn, if a monster you control is destroyed by battle or card effect and sent to the graveyard or banished, you can activate one of these effects. Special summon one of those monsters in defense position. One tuner on the field gains attack equal to half the original attack of one of those monsters. Shuffle one of those monsters into the deck, and if you do, draw one card. Shuffle this card into the deck, and if you do, add one field spell from your graveyard to your hand. That's honestly, the artwork on that alone. Like I like the way that one planet looks right there. I don't think the camera's doing it any well. Or neither is the lighting. Like maybe the lighting will, but I really like that. Let me take a sip of water real quick. And we go on to the next one. Alright, Million Century Ice Prison, Violente's Wave, Master Phase, Gaia Blaze, The Force of the Sun, Behemoth, the King of 100 Battles. Then for the rare, or for the holo, the Stalos, the Shadowfire Monarch. I'm not going to read all that text because, well, just don't feel like it for this one. I'm not going to lie. He looks pretty cool, though. Here, let's give Simply Unlucky a shout out. Kaiba! Whew. Super Heavy Samurai Security. Evil Tile Fullus. Agnimal Candle. Rescue Ace Preventer. Hayata, the Fire Channeler. I actually have no idea about what she's worth, but I have a feeling that's because she looks like a Hente, something that, what do you call them? She just looks like somebody that somebody would fiend over, so I have a feeling that she's worth a little bit. But either way, the ultra rare is getting the sleeve. So he's gonna want that. This feels a little thick. This is a thick boy right here. Get it. Split Mirror of the Underworld. Finesse Terrell, Tower of the Necro World. Beta Evolution Pill. Oh. Magikarp. And the Gazelle. The Gazelle, no. I do remember that now. That is that, yeah, what? I can't think of what set it is, but it's one of the OG sets. It looks like a, kind of like a reimagining of. Which is pretty cool that they're doing stuff like that with cards from back then. That's why, like, one of my favorite archetypes is Skull Servants. Agnimal Candle. New World Formation. Genosaurus Giga Cannon. Jurassic Power. Ooh, okay. I think this is worth it. If you synchro summon a power tool monster or a level 7 or 8 dragon monster, this card in your hand could also be used as material. You can only use the effect of Evolutionary Synchron once per turn. If you control a level 7 or higher Synchron monster while this card is in your graveyard, you can send this top card of your deck to your graveyard. And if you do... Ooh. He looks something special. Okay. Cool. I'm definitely going to be looking up prices after this. I knew it smelled. Yeah, we're definitely giving this one a smell. See, I think that all the money ones were saved for last. I think he's worth money. I think he is. Genosaurus, Giga Cannon, Mekanko, Spirit Walk, Magikarp, Unchained Soul, a bird. I'm like a bird, doo-ba-doo. We got 2 more left. One feels thicker than the other. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna grab my die real quick. All right. So what we're gonna do is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. Here, wait. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. All right. So that's supposed to be the money pack. All right. Purely Sherily. Double-headed Dino King Rex. You see, I wish I would have been a holo because he looks cool too. Signs of the Testina. Diabrad Bocce. Ooh! Red Eyes Black Meteor Dragon, dude. Aside from Blue Eyes, this is my favorite. Red Eyes and Blue Eyes right here. You can send one level 5 or higher normal monster from your hand or deck to the graveyard. Special summon this card from your hand. Then increase its level by 1. During your mage phase, except the turn that this card was sent to the graveyard, you can banish this card from your graveyard. Add 1 Red Eyes Fusion from your deck or graveyard to your hand. You could only use each effect of Red Eyes Black Meteor Dragon once per turn. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I didn't even know that he was... Like I said, I don't even know anything about this set. So, I just knew that it was new. The last one. Let's get it. Let's get it. Will Synchron. Mekanko Spirit Walk. Evil Sorlius. Synchron World. Hound of the Testina. No. Alright. Well. I'm really happy with my pools. Because I got what? 3 secrets and 3 ultras. Here, let me adjust that. Here, let me get the thing a little bit better. Those are basically the pools. Really, really happy with this. Thank you, everybody, for watching. And, yeah, have a good one. And, oh yeah.